Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install your 3D shadow lights. It gives you the image on the ground from the bottom of your lights from your door. I'm going to show you how to replace them. You could get these on Amazon, anywhere from $10 to $15 for 2 of them. You could replace all 4 if it's a 4-door car. But this works for all models from 2020 to 2022. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get a small flathead, something like this, and you just want to go inside. There's like a little lip, and you're gonna pull it down like that, and then you'll see, and I'll try to get as close as I can so you can see it. Right inside, you just want to push down on that and pull. So let's see here, push down here. Okay, so that's it. I push down right inside here, you can see, and you just pull down. It's like a little clip. All right, so these are the new ones. These were the old ones. Okay, so it's very simple. All you're gonna do is plug this bad boy in. And make sure you stick it all up there, nothing gets pinched. And that's it. So now it's nighttime. They're pretty bright, they look great.